It's hot and it's humid. You already know that. Tomorrow is going to be even hotter and potentially more humid ahead of some scattered heavy thunderstorms, though. There are a few showers this evening. We'll be in the upper 70s for a while, and tomorrow just kind of a steamy morning. Tomorrow afternoon, 94. Our high today was 94. The heat index has been close to 100. At times tomorrow, the heat index could be closer to 105 in the counties that are highlighted in orange here, and that's going to include places like Cullman and Oneonta, Jasper, Double Springs, Hamilton, Fayette, Tuscaloosa, Northport, Birmingham, Hueytown, Hoover, down to Calera, Centerville, Utah, and Aliceville. A heat advisory in effect for tomorrow, and this is why. Look at the heat index already between 11 and noon, topping 95 to 100 degrees, and then by 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, 105, that feels like in Tuscaloosa, 104 in Alabaster, upper 90s, no picnic, but at least it's a little bit better around Anniston and Gadsden. Through the early evening, those numbers come down, but the main reason for that is going to be some heavy thunderstorms that build over North Alabama Friday and move down toward the south through the afternoon and early evening. Primary issues here with a severe thunderstorm threat, strong gusty winds. Lightning and heavy rain don't make storms severe by definition, but boy, they can certainly wreck your afternoon. And as this wave moves from the north to the south, watch how we think it develops. Starting around lunchtime through early afternoon, heavy storms blossom over the Tennessee Valley region. A couple of isolated downpours wouldn't be out of the question as far south as Interstate 20 tomorrow around 4 p.m., but most of the action will be to the north. Then it starts to move farther south through Walker and Jefferson, Cullman, Blount, St. Clair, Etowah, Cherokee, and Calhoun counties. By 8 p.m., those heavy storms drifting down toward the south. Could be a little bit of redevelopment behind that first wave. And then we start to look toward the weekend where it could get very stormy yet again on Saturday. Hot and humid Saturday afternoon. The high still in the 90s, but watch the futurecast here as temperatures start to blossom, start to build into the 90s in the early afternoon. We'll watch heavy thunderstorms explode. Some of these could potentially be severe around 1 p.m. Look at that from Blount County up through Sand Mountain, Marshall County, DeKalb County, Jackson County. Those will move on down toward the south through the early evening on Saturday. And some of those also could potentially be severe, with primarily wind gusts being our biggest threat. So from around 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., most of the action's up to the north. Noon to 4 p.m., those storms are moving south, and then they should be out of here by 7 o'clock on Saturday evening. Both Friday and Saturday impact weather for the risk of severe storms. Storms shift mainly south on Sunday, and then next week looking a little drier and more comfortable, but still hot in the afternoons.